Shannon?
Yeah. You said it was 2016, then you said it was 2009. I don't know what it is.
Turn around and you're gonna see.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Blessed be the Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's what Jade is here. Yeah.
That's your new car.
What? Oh my god! A radio? There's a working radio? I haven't had a radio in 6 years. I can't believe it. I mean, I'm so blessed. I have been praying and praying and praying for something to happen in my life. And this is proof that, you know what? There is a God, and He does care.